Want bigger, better-tasting garden harvests this summer? In this video, you'll discover 3 science-backed secrets to harvesting at the perfect time, boosting your yield and keeping your veggies fresh longer. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe for more no-fluff gardening tips that actually work. Secret number 1. Timing is everything. Morning is best. Harvest early in the day, ideally before 10 a.m. That's when plants are fully hydrated and sugars are at their peak levels. For example, lettuce and spinach wilt a lot faster if you pick them during the hot midday sun. When it comes to peak ripeness, tomatoes should be picked when they're fully colored but still just a bit firm. Zucchini are ideal at 6 to 8 inches long. Any bigger and they really lose their flavor. For cucumbers, you'll want to harvest before they start to yellow, since bitterness can set in with overgrowth. And always use clean, sharp tools to prevent bruising or tearing, which can invite disease. Secret number 2. The more you pick, the more you get. Frequent harvesting signals the plant to keep producing. For beans, peas, cucumbers, and squash, it's best to pick every 2 to 3 days. Deadheading herbs and leafy greens like basil and kale actually promotes new, tender growth. Here's a tip. Always cut above a leaf node to encourage branching. Don't wait too long. Overripe veggies can cause the plant to slow down production as it shifts energy towards seed development. Secret number 3. Keep it fresh longer. So don't wash your veggies until you're actually ready to use them. Moisture just encourages spoilage. Instead, just brush off any dirt. Now let's talk storage by type. Tomatoes, keep them at room temperature and never in the fridge, since that kills their flavor and texture. For root crops like carrots and beets, trim off the greens and store them in perforated bags in your crisper drawer. Leafy greens do best when you wrap them loosely in a damp paper towel and store them in sealed containers. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Blanch and freeze any excess produce, like green beans or corn, to help reduce food waste. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment below with your biggest garden harvest win this summer. And don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal garden hacks that actually make a difference.